Okay, so today's video we're going to be reacting to some of the unboxing videos which you can see on Twitter of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. And some people, they can be quite creative with their unboxing videos. Some are just downright weird, but we're going to watch a couple in today's video. So let's get on to the first one here. Why is he just beating the shit out of the box? This guy's just manhandling the box. Nice. Good color choice there, mate. Yeah, it's so satisfying to do that. When you first take that peel off, it's so satisfying. Fair enough. Congratulations on the new iPhone. Oh wow, look at this background here. Where is that background? I feel like I've seen that before. Does anybody know where that background is? I wonder if they actually live in this location or they've traveled here just for this unboxing video. Anyway, it's nice unboxing, nice background, nice music, well done. Why is everyone just beating the shit out of the boxes? Let's look at that again. Slapping the shit out of the box, but we move. I think they're doing this because of that ASMR stuff. You know, like, you see videos on YouTube of ASMR where they just like tap stuff. So I think that's why they're trying to appeal to your sensory nature by just tapping out of the box. But yeah, I keep forgetting that the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max have this action button. You can see it here where they're deciding which the purpose of the button is going to be. So if you have the iPhone 15 Pro, what is your action button? What does it do? What have you decided for it? Let me know in the comment section below. I think I need some ideas for that. Oh my god, there's no way that this person thinks this is a good idea. What the actual and it's still working. How is it still working? I used my iPhone once in a swimming pool and it was completely dead. Apple couldn't even fix it. So that was a rest in peace for that iPhone, and this person is just washing it with soap and water and an actual dish sponge, and it's still working. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. They just gave their iPhone a bubble bath and it's still working. Unreal. See, I really like unboxing where it's like a really nice scenic background, because I think that just is so much better than typical desk unboxing videos, but you know when they go outside, they go to like a really nice background, like where the other one was, or even this one looks like New York or something like that. I always think that makes the video 10 times nicer. They've got the Apple Wallet as well. This is the fine woven material. It almost looks like suede when you look quite closely at it. But yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I'm in two minds whether I should get the Apple Wallet, because I did have one of the old ones, but I found I never really used it. And plus, if you're using the MagSafe charger a lot, then it kind of just gets in the way all the time. Like, I had a MagSafe charger which I couldn't really use unless I took the Apple Wallet off, and I also had a MagSafe kind of like a stand in my car, so like a dock stand. So then I'd always have to take the wallet off in order to use that, and I'd find I just keep losing the wallet, which was a bit of an inconvenience, just because I had to keep taking it off and moving it to the side. They've bought one of those fine woven cases as well. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that looks pretty nice, and I think this is going to be the colors that I'm going to get. I already tried to order the natural titanium with this this color case, but I think, yeah, it does look pretty good. Yeah. All right, let's check another one. What? Alright, this person is officially living on the edge. How are you going to do an iPhone unboxing? Is that your balcony there, or is that like just the hand railing? How did the phone not fall down? It's like a heavy phone as well. This person's brave to be doing this kind of unboxing on their balcony ledge. My heart just literally stopped beating when I just saw that. Oh my... Why do I think this is going to be the craziest out of all of them? They just ran over the iPhone while cheering, man. These guys. There's no way the phone is like that. I think that means broken. Oh, yaar. Oh, teri Oh, bhai, kya kar diya iPhone 15 Pro Max. Shout out Zamzam Electronics Store. The way they just started cheering. 15 Pro Max. Electronic. Is this Pakistan or is this India? I think it's Pakistan. Yeah, that's good promo for their shop though. Zamzam Electronics.
Pro Max just came. I cannot wait. Oh my god, my new iPhone 15 Pro Max just came. I cannot wait to open it. Wait.
Bro got scammed. It's official.
What the hell? Wait. What the fuck?
Wait. There's no way that's real. Unbelievable if it is.
Wait.
This guy's just got scammed.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Alright, there we go. That's my reaction to some interesting unboxing videos of the new iPhone. I can't wait to get my new iPhone, and I will be uploading an unboxing as soon as I get one. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what you're going to be using the action button for. Leave any comments, any questions in the comment section below. If you've made it to the end of the video, leave a 100 emoji. And thanks for watching.